Okay, so I just got ready. We're gonna go to the chocolate tour, and then we're gonna go back to the waterfall. Can't really see my outfit. I don't have my shoes on yet. We're gonna go to the chocolate tour to make our own chocolate, and then we're gonna go back to the waterfall. This is part of the fit. I have to put on my shoes.
Drop tops, long hot nights, and summer love. Yeah. AOB, tell them what time it is. Let's go.
Out of all the guys that approach me, walking up to me like they know me, you were the one that stayed aside, waited a while, and took your time. You don't know how impressive your curiosity was to me. It was the 4th day of July. Looked in my eyes and saw that I wasn't just a
We have red, pink, white. Yes.
Heliconias.
Se llama, la flor se llama bastón de emperador.
Bastón de emperador.
An emperor staff.
Okay.
The emperor. Mimi, ¿tú hablas español un poquito?
Yes.
¿Dónde aprendió?
Escuela y
En escuela.
Duolingo.
Duolingo.
Yes. Yes. I'm still learning.
Lovely. And for your sandals? Yes. Okay.
I can read Spanish better than I can like speak it
Like that.
and understand it. Yes.
Pura
Pure
vida.
life.
Pure
That's
life.
cute.
Costa Rica is pura vida. Okay.
Give me one. This is very scenic. Very, very scenic. Ooh. Uh-huh.
This is coffee plants.
Really? Oh, wow.
The coffee beans, coffee beans.
Smell it. Wow. Yeah.
This is coffee. This is a special tree. We call it guayabon.
Guayabon.
It's almost extinct in my country.
Really?
Thousands of them was cut by human beings.
Wow.
They now are protected by the government. Okay.
Yeah.
This is cocoa.
Oh, that's a cocoa.
It's from Mexico. This is a special variety from Mexico. Okay.
Ah. Yeah. Chocolate tour.
It's purple, it turns orange when it's ripe. It's from Trinidad
orange when it's ripe.
when
Yeah.
it's ripe.
Ground?
Twice a month.
Twice a month.
Only for my popo go again.
Wow.
Yeah, only twice. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Vamos, a little harder.
Right.
Harder, 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 harder. Vamos, you can do it. Vamos, you can do it. Vamos, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Harder. Vamos,
Let me try.
vamos. It's hard.
Oh, it's hard. Okay. Okay.
Vamos, Brittany.
Let's see.
Vamos, Brittany. Be careful with your finger, please. Vamos.
It is hard.
You got it. Oh, look, it's cracking.
Yes, you got it. Yes. Good job.
I started the work, child.
Okay.
Anyways,
You had to hit it at the bottom. Oh wow, look at it.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, I don't know.
which napkin is yours?
Oh,
It's delicious.
let's see.
Ugh, I don't know.
I'm scared.
It's delicious. Wow. Just suck on it. Just suck on it.
Okay.
It's sweet. It's delicious. It's very good.
Melting.
It reminds me of a
Lychee?
no, a ganepa.
Kenepa.
Ganepa.
Someone told me Kenepa. I don't know what's Kenepa.
You never had it's like
chocolate?
a circle and it's green.
What is this? This is
I'm gonna find it. It's so good. You ever had we call it Spanish lime at home? You ever had those? It kind of tastes like it. Pick it up.
It's chocolate. Mira.
Oh my God, it reminds me of that. I don't have no service
It's chocolate.
inside.
Inside. The seeds
Oh my God.
is a little bit bitter, okay?
Ooh. Bitter.
The seeds has to be fermented for 6 days.
Ah.
Okay, because the slimy part,
So it's a fruit and a chocolate. Oh my God.
it's very. My makeup is melting off. Look,
Try to dab it.
I don't have dabbing material. I'm gonna get another napkin.
Yeah, I was gonna say with the napkin.
the seeds has to be fermented for 6 days.
Okay.
Because the mucilage, the slimy part, provide aroma and flavor to the embryo, the chocolate.
It's really good.
It's sweet.
It tastes just like one.
Drying, we need to dry it for 2 or 3 weeks.
Very, very, very hot.
Sometimes this plate gets 45 cents.
It's very hot.
It's a sauna. Oh my God.
Okay, let me get up. I gotta get out of here. Definitely a sauna.
Really, this is pure chocolate. Look at it. We crack it. We take the shells out. This is pure chocolate.
Oh wow.
Okay, this is. It's bitter.
Bitter.
It's bitter. It's pure chocolate. Okay.
But I taste that as chocolate.
Yeah.
Very bitter. Thank you.
Here we are going to eat some.
Okay.
We have here 9 different toppings. Because now we are going to testing chocolate, okay? We have sprinkles, coffee, peanut, salt, chili, turmeric, black pepper, coconut, and cinnamon.
On chocolate?
And stuff.
On chili on chocolate?
Definitely. See it?
She's gonna try the chocolate. Does it taste bitter or no?
There's like a hint of bitter at the end, but it's good.
I wanna try.
Yes. Much better than dark chocolate at home.
Better than Hershey.
Yes. That okay. Yes. Much better.
I've been to the Hershey Chocolate Factory in Pennsylvania.
Yeah. There's this.
People said it's too much sugar, too much milk.
Good.
It's not too sweet either.
It's not.
Not too sweet.
Like at home, it's like very sweet.
See, they put more sugar.
A lot of processed ingredients.
Good. Yes. Very good.
Now I can put a little more if you can put whatever. Let me tell you some special combination. For example, cinnamon and coconut is delicious.
Really?
Peanut and salt. Right. Too many people like too many peanut and salt together. Let's go ahead.
Okay, let's
For
see.
me, it's the best one because it's sweet, it's cinnamon and coconut. This is your one.
I think I'm gonna try cinnamon and
For me, cinnamon and coconut get the best one. Ready? Yeah, a tiny bit, not too
Okay.
much. Okay, let me check. That's enough. Put all of them, no problem. Now coconut on top.
I'm gonna put a little bit of coconut because I don't really like coconut.
Okay, go
Yeah.
ahead. Try. This is a good combination. It's like Christmas cake.
Oh yeah.
It's really good. But it's very classic. It's very classic peanut and salt. Because peanut and salt is like a Snickers.
Yeah.
That's good. Try salt and, but I don't know.
Salt
you,
and peanuts.
Hey, you want salt and peanut? It's really good.
Let's see.
3 or 4 beans, whatever. Coffee and cinnamon is ready. Brittany, you put too much salt, whatever.
No, I like salt.
You love salt?
Yeah.
No.
That took it over the top for me. That was perfect.
It's good?
Yes. It reminds me of something.
What?
Maybe I'm thinking of trail mix. You know what trail mix is?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I think that with like the M&Ms and
And a man.
I like it.
Do you drink coffee? No?
No, but I'll try it. I'll try it. You don't want to try the other one?
Coffee, peanut, and cinnamon is really delicious treat. A little more carrot.
Where's the one you tasted? The trail mix?
Oh,
Ah, the three mix. This one, and this one. Solid delicious.
The salt with the chocolate is good.
yeah. I told you.
Make it like a balance. Less bitter. That's good coffee.
Hey, what you put on that this time?
Coffee beans and cinnamon.
Really? Good.
Yes, and I don't like coffee, but
Would you
that
like
was
to
it.
try another one? So no, let me.
I don't know. I'm very skeptical about these.
Why?
I don't know.
Well, you
With
can
chocolate?
try.
Yeah, with chocolate.
Try.
Okay.
This is an experience.
I'm gonna try it.
But okay, give me your spoon. Mandy, let me help you, okay?
Okay,
Because
yes.
I'm gonna put exactly that you need.
Yes.
Come on.
Put the chili on there.
You're gonna help. I don't
You
know.
put a little bit. This one.
Wait, what's that called again?
It's too many.
Turmeric, yeah.
Ooh, I don't like the taste of turmeric.
All.
That chuggy. A little bit of chili.
When you chew it, it's delicious. Go ahead.
Okay.
Wait.
What would you like?
Don't taste it yet.
You want to do it together?
No, I wanna-
Oh, you want to record?
Well, yeah, let's do it together.
Okay.
But I also need a reaction.
Put it on. Oh my goodness.
No, it's not too
I'm
bad.
scared.
It's a little bit spicy when you chew it, the seeds.
Okay. I can take the spicy. I like spicy.
Okay, we're gonna try turmeric with salt.
Yes, turmeric with
And
salt and
chili.
chili. With the chocolate. Okay.
Wait, we're
What, that one?
gonna do it like put it on
Yeah,
our
put
mouth, the whole thing.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Let's cheers.
Cheers. Let me taste it.
It wasn't. I tasted more the turmeric. More the turmeric than anything.
I taste the salt.
Really? I tasted turmeric. But it wasn't, I thought it was gonna be worse than that. It was good.
You have for everyone making you crazy comments.
Oh yeah, the chili.
At the end, when you mix it, do not put too much because I need to put
On top. Okay.
extra.
Gotcha. We're gonna make a combo. Whatever you want to put in your bomb, put it in there. So if you want the cinnamon, coconut. I don't like sprinkles, but I'm gonna try sprinkles. I don't.
Kids like a sprinkle with coffee. The sprinkle with cake.
Okay. So you put whatever you want in your side. Oh. Sprinkles with what though? I'm gonna just do sprinkles like birthday cake. Birthday cake. She's sweet. She's a birthday cake. Sprinkles. In each hole. Yeah.
So, I don't know. I just think the sweet. Yeah, I don't get it aftertaste.
That's in your mouth.
Yeah.
That was on my good one.
This is the salt. And then right here.
Yeah. What I had did salt and peanuts. Yeah. Which one you doing?
Salt. I did cinnamon, sprinkles, salt. Now I'm about to put. What this is? Coffee beans?
Yeah. I need something to go with the birthday cake. Maybe I'll just do all birthday cake. All birthday cake. All birthday cake.
Okay.
Ah. More came out than I expected.
Wait, what's that right there? This? No, next to it.
Peanut?
Oh, that's peanuts.
Yeah. I don't know what to put in the last one. I don't know. Put chili. Chili. I'm trying to figure out what I want in the last one.
The last
Another
one?
good combo.
Let me check.
I don't know. This one.
Con cinnamon. Coffee? No.
Coffee? Okay, we'll do coffee. What I did,
Maybe
coffee
with
and...
coconut or a little bit cinnamon.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Cara, Brittany, could you help me for filling?
Okay.
Did you take a little bit of chocolate and put on top like this?
What am I doing?
Okay, go ahead.
So I'm putting it in.
Keep filling a little bit.
Okay. That's it. Oh, this is
Later we are trying to make some tea with cinnamon, peanut, not chili. Black. Okay.
That's yours. Oh, that's
No, that's yours.
Oh.
You want to do something?
I'll do it.
The lips, big ones.
So, a sloth has never fell down from a tree? Ever? No? You've never seen it?
No.
Oh, it's they have very common jaws.
Yeah.
The problem with them is that sometimes they try to cross
The street.
cars.
You've seen that?
It's very
And they're
sad.
very slow.
Yeah.
They move very slow.
Yeah, but some people that's a matter. They,
Oh, they just go ahead and do it anyway?
yeah.
I was by myself.
Wow.
It wasn't late. It was, well, the sunset earlier than that. It was like
Here.
7. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Where?
Okay.
Good job. Wow. Put it in the fridge.
Chocolate bomb. Okay.
So we buy this.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Feel better now, though.
Okay? Come on, sit down, chicas. We are talking a little bit about chocolate. Peru, colonizer, brought to Mexico 800 years BC. Later, in Mexico, Aztecs, Mayas, and Olmecs started for making an alcoholic drink with cocoa seeds, chili pepper, black pepper, salt, and water. At the beginning, they didn't know the cocoa was for eating because they think the cocoa was a holy fruit and special gifts sending by God for them. They not touch it, they know. Someday, they saw a monk.
That though.
Yeah, we
You know
know.
what I'm saying?
According to the history,
The brown sugar is
according to
healthier.
the history, these kind of jobs was made it only for women, like this one. In the men's in tribus, they play drum, like this one, and the women dancing. Oh, okay. While they are cracking seeds, the women dancing. Brittany, could you help me?
Okay.
Okay, I play drums, you dance.
How do I crack it?
1, 2, 3, you go. Brittany,
Like this?
you press and roll.
Roll. Okay.
Vamos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chocolate, chocolate, ooh la la, chocolate, chocolate. Wow! Where did you better than Shakira? Thank you.
Thank you.
You did a good job, huh?
All that on video.
The shells are included, remember, okay? Has nutritional property. Now, we are going to mix it with a little bit sugar, black pepper, peanut, cinnamon. And we're refining in the machines, right there.
Oh. That's gonna be in my hair all day.
Good job. I never had seen a dancer like you. Peanut. Pepper, no chili. normally I make chili, black pepper, cinnamon, and no sugar. But it's very good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
A little bit sweet or no sweet? Americans love sugar.
We can't help it. That's kind of program.
That's how we. They're so sick. That's bro.
Yeah.
But I don't eat all that stuff on the shelves anyway.
Yeah. I never buy none of that anyway.
Just turning it around, turning the feathers.
Oh, I'm riding a bike.
Yeah, but I'm needing speed, not. Oh, how old are you? 15?
Oh, still at 15? I'm 27 now.
You look young.
Oh,
27.
27 now.
So,
Is it?
turning a little bit slowly, not too fast.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready.
How many days will you? How many days will you be in Costa Rica? More? 2 or 3?
Tomorrow, right?
We leave in the morning.
Yeah.
Not tomorrow.
We've been here since Thursday.
Where are you going? Where? San Jose Airport or Liberia?
San Jose.
You have to be there 3 or 4 hours
Okay,
before.
so the 2 in the morning.
What time is your plane?
9.
Oh my God. You have to go here 4 o'clock. 4 a.m.
Okay.
4 a.m. You'll be in the airport 6 maybe. Maybe because you don't imagine the highway. Yeah. Try a little bit. I hope you like it. What do you think? Good?
Not too sweet.
It's strong.
It's strong.
But I'm going to put water, no problem. Tea lady with wing. Glass, a cup.
I like it. It's good.
This is like tea. Let's go. 1 minute. Season is cheap.
What's the high season in Costa Rica?
December. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Wow.
Ooh la la. Now let's
You
go.
have an amazing future. That's wow. Okay.
Ooh, that is good, yeah.
The real chocolate.
I like hot cocoa. Oh, that's mine, yeah.
First nip. Head up. A little bit for me. Cheers.
Cheers.
For your vacations. It's a little bit strong.
Wait, I didn't even know it was hot. Yeah.
It's hot. We'll be there in 7 minutes.
Okay.
There's a new vet in town.
Now you can get real views.
Yes. And not have to worry about falling. Oh, I feel water. Okay, y'all, we're going back to the waterfall. It is a little drizzly. We're hoping that it doesn't rain too much. But yeah, 500 steps down, 15 minutes. It's about to rain. Yes. We're gonna see the difference between the regular 500 steps, the stairs, and the hike. I'll let y'all know. This is nice, yeah. Oh, they do? Oh yeah, boom, perfect. Perfect. So I could put this, we could just put it in the same one.
Don't rain.
Oh shit. I should have saw if they had like okay. Yeah, my legs.
But look, they got open space.
Yeah.
They have open space. Yes, record this.
Yeah.
And tell them.
This is perfect.
I could go down this way if I did.
Yeah,
Like coming up might be an issue though.
for sure. Perfect, actually. Oh, they got water. No drink. Yeah, the drink. Probably, yeah. Oh my god. My camera fitting here? No, I'm hoping. I want to get out there. Swim. Go. Oh, yeah, go. It's hard work. Look tired. Okay. Pray for us. Hey guys, we're leaving, and look, pray for us. Oh, pray for us. Why do you need a break already? Oh, you finna keep going? Yes, it's not that bad. It was like 5 seconds. Yeah. We're not even close. Okay. We got a place to see. If you need a seat, find this. Found another seat. We almost up all 500 steps. I was going to serve it with a side of greens or some fruit.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, babe, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it, enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the vibe. It's a lot, they a dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, how we go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
We got you out, doors up. Baby, you was loud, slide, close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist close. Time on the way home. This world concrete, how we go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see rain, wanna see this world. I
I trust you, I love you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off just so I can turn you on. I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you I'm a pro. I'ma take my time and turn it off just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Back to real life, guys. It's 4 in the morning. We're leaving to go to the airport. Well, actually 3:50.
Finally, be sure luggage
I look a mess, but
on this aircraft. Some we ask you to place them on their side. And on this particular aircraft,
hey guys, we made it back home. It's been a long day of traveling. Yeah, I hate travel days, but I love the trip. We had an amazing time. It was nice. It was definitely a different experience. I love the naturey aspect of La Fortuna. Yeah, Costa Rica was great. Let's see, what else I wanted to say. But yeah, if you made it till the end of this, which this will probably be maybe 3 parts, but if you made it to the end of this, thank you. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you loved the looks. And yeah, it's time for me to go to sleep because I have work. I'm going late, but I have work. I wish I didn't. I missed the trip already. But yeah, thanks. Bye.
Bye, Elvis. I hope you like it. Who's calling this shit? What do you think? Good?
It's not cool, y'all. Like, you know, people was president, vice president.